What is social media? Social media refers to online platforms that allow people to create, share, and interact with content such as messages, photos, videos, and news. It enables communication, networking, entertainment, and information exchange among users worldwide. Popular examples include Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, WhatsApp, and Twitter.
In this video, you will know about the advantages of social media and the disadvantages of social media. Are you excited to increase your knowledge? Please sit peacefully and put on your headphones. Let's begin. A. Advantages of social media. Social media has become one of the most transformative innovations of the 21st century. It has reshaped the way people communicate, learn, express themselves, and even conduct business. What started as a tool for casual interaction is now a powerful ecosystem influencing education, marketing, entertainment, politics, and daily life. The advantages of social media span across personal, professional, and societal levels, offering immense opportunities for connection, growth, and empowerment. Global connectivity and communication. The most fundamental advantage of social media is the ability to connect people across the world instantly. Whether someone lives in a small town or a major city, they can interact with others from different countries, cultures, and backgrounds. This global communication bridge helps individuals share experiences, build friendships, and expand their worldview. For families living apart, social media provides a simple platform to see each other's lives through photos, videos, and messages. Access to information and knowledge. Social media functions as one of the largest information sharing platforms. News updates, educational content, tutorials, and expert opinions are available within seconds. Students can learn complex concepts through videos, professionals can keep up with industry trends, and general users can stay updated on world events. Because information spreads quickly, social media helps create awareness about important issues such as climate change, healthcare, and scientific discoveries. Educational opportunities. Many educators, institutions, and creators use social media to share academic content. Platforms like YouTube, Instagram, and LinkedIn host lectures, language lessons, motivational talks, and skill-building tutorials. This democratization of education means that anyone with internet access can learn almost anything for free. Students use social media groups to collaborate, discuss assignments, and clarify doubts, improving the academic performance. Business growth and marketing. For businesses, social media is a powerful marketing tool. It allows small and large companies to reach targeted audiences without relying on expensive traditional advertising. Through platforms like Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok, brands can showcase products, run promotions, and interact with customers in real time. Influencer marketing has also become a massive industry, helping brands gain visibility quickly. Social media analytics further help businesses understand customer behavior, improve products, and develop better marketing strategies. A platform for creativity and self-expression. Social media encourages creative expression in the form of photos, videos, art, writing, music, and short films. Users can share their talents with a global audience, receive feedback, and grow creatively. For many individuals, social media becomes a digital portfolio that opens career opportunities in fields such as content creation, photography, design, and performing arts. It has also encouraged people to start passion projects, whether it is crafting, cooking, storytelling, or fitness coaching. Raising awareness and social movements. Social media has played a significant role in amplifying voices and supporting social movements. Many global campaigns related to human rights, gender equality, environmental protection, and justice have gained momentum through online platforms. These movements encourage participation, donations, and discussions that can influence government policies and public opinion. The speed with which awareness spreads makes social media a catalyst for positive societal change. Building communities and support networks. People with similar interests, professions, or challenges can find communities online. This can be particularly powerful for individuals who feel isolated. Support groups exist for health conditions, mental well-being, career guidance, parenting, and hobbies. These communities offer emotional support, practical advice, and a sense of belonging. For many users, online groups become safe spaces where they can share their struggles and receive encouragement. Enhancing professional networking. LinkedIn and similar platforms allow professionals to build networks, showcase their achievements, and discover job opportunities. Recruiters widely use social media to find talented candidates. Professionals can follow industry experts, participate in discussions, and stay updated on new trends. Digital networking has removed geographical barriers, enabling people to collaborate globally and grow professionally. Entertainment and stress relief. Social media is a major source of entertainment. Videos, memes, music, short films, and live streams offer relaxation and fun. During stressful times, entertainment content can uplift mood and reduce anxiety. It also provides opportunities for artists, comedians, and performers to reach massive audiences. E-commerce and online services. Social media has integrated shopping features, allowing users to discover and buy products directly from posts and ads. Small business owners, artisans, and home entrepreneurs use platforms to run online stores without needing physical space. This boosts economic opportunities and encourages entrepreneurship. Political engagement and civic participation. Social media increases public engagement in politics by providing accessible information about policies, elections, and government activities. It allows citizens to express opinions, debate issues, and hold leaders accountable. Political campaigns also use social media to reach voters and share manifestos. Overall, the advantages of social media are far-reaching and transformative. It empowers individuals, strengthens communities, supports businesses, enhances education, and accelerates global communication. Despite the challenges it brings, its positive influence on modern society is undeniable.
B. Disadvantages of social media. While social media offers remarkable benefits, it also presents several disadvantages that can impact mental health, social relationships, productivity, and society at large. Excessive or improper use can create personal, psychological, and social problems. Understanding these disadvantages is essential for using social media responsibly. Addiction and time wastage. One of the most common negative effects of social media is addiction. Many platforms are designed to capture attention through endless scrolling, notifications, and personalized algorithms. Users often spend hours browsing without realizing, leading to reduced productivity. Students may neglect studies, employees may lose focus at work, and individuals may waste valuable time that could have been spent on healthy activities. This digital addiction also disrupts sleep patterns, affecting overall well-being. Mental health issues. Multiple studies show that excessive use of social media is linked to mental health problems such as anxiety, stress, depression, and loneliness. Constant comparison with others' curated lives can create feelings of inadequacy, low self-esteem, and dissatisfaction. Young people are especially vulnerable to pressure from unrealistic beauty standards or lifestyle expectations. Negative comments, cyberbullying, and online harassment further impact mental and emotional health. Cyberbullying and harassment. Social media provides anonymity, which can encourage harmful behavior. Cyberbullying, spreading rumors, abusive messages, public shaming, or threatening behavior has become a serious issue, particularly among teenagers. Victims often suffer from emotional trauma, fear, and social withdrawal. Harassment also affects adults, especially public figures, professionals, and women. The lack of strict regulation makes it difficult to fully control harmful online behavior. Privacy risks and data misuse. Social media platforms collect vast amounts of personal data. This raises concerns about privacy invasion, identity theft, and misuse of information. Hackers can steal personal accounts, access sensitive details, or conduct scams. Companies might use user data to target ads or sell information to third parties without clear consent. Once something is posted online, it can be difficult to remove, making long-term privacy protection challenging. Spread of misinformation and fake news. One of the most serious disadvantages of social media is the rapid spread of misinformation. Fake news, rumors, and misleading content often go viral before accurate information can catch up. This can cause panic, confusion, and manipulation of public opinion. During elections, crises, or health emergencies, misinformation can be extremely dangerous. Social media algorithms prioritize content that gets engagement, not necessarily content that is true. Negative impact on real-life relationships. While social media connects people virtually, it can weaken real-life interactions. Individuals may prioritize online conversations over spending time with family or friends physically. Couples may face misunderstandings due to excessive social media use. Emotional bonds can weaken when people become more invested in virtual validation, likes, comments, than genuine connections. This shift affects relationship quality, communication skills, and empathy. Reduced productivity and focus. For students and professionals alike, social media can become a major source of distraction. Constant notifications disrupt focus, making it difficult to concentrate on important tasks. Multitasking between apps affects memory, comprehension, and performance. Over time, this habit can reduce overall efficiency and impact academic or career success. Unrealistic expectations and social pressure. Influencers and celebrities often present perfect lifestyles online. Luxury, beauty, success, which creates unrealistic expectations for viewers. People may feel pressured to achieve similar standards, leading to dissatisfaction and unnecessary stress. This can affect financial decisions, body image, or lifestyle choices, making individuals chase ideals that are not practical or healthy. Online scams and fraud. Social media has become a breeding ground for scams. Fake investment schemes, fraudulent advertisements, phishing links, and impersonation are common. Users may lose money, share personal information unknowingly, or fall victim to malicious activities. Elderly individuals and inexperienced users are especially vulnerable to online fraud. Political manipulation and polarization. Social media can be used to manipulate public opinion by spreading propaganda or biased content. Political groups may target users with specific messages to influence voting behavior. Algorithms often show content aligned with users' existing beliefs, creating echo chambers where opposing viewpoints are rarely seen. This increases polarization, hatred, and misunderstanding within society. Health problems from sedentary behavior. Excessive screen time can lead to physical health issues, such as eye strain, headaches, poor posture, and reduced physical activity. Sitting too long while scrolling can contribute to obesity, back pain, and lifestyle diseases. Sleep disruption caused by late-night social media usage further impacts physical health. Loss of independence and creativity. Constant reliance on social media for entertainment, approval, or ideas can reduce creativity and independent thinking. People may start imitating trends instead of developing original ideas. Excessive online validation can make individuals depend on others' opinions instead of trusting their own. Social media is a powerful tool, but its disadvantages can be severe when users lack discipline, awareness, or digital literacy. Balancing digital and real-life activities, verifying information, limiting screen time, and using platforms responsibly can help minimize these negative effects.